ICP spectrometer is a sequential multi-element analyzer that has scan times less than for one sweep. A 10 ms, B 20 ms, C 50 ms, D 100 ms. The correct answer is 20 ms. In chromatogram, the area under the peak can be used to determine which of the following: A. Components of the sample, B. Amount of component in the sample, C. Column efficiency, D. Column resolution. The correct answer is amount of component in the sample. The most common type of ion detector found in ICP system is which of the following: A. Faraday cup collector, B. Channeltron, C. Microchannel plate, D. flame ionization detector. The correct answer is Channeltron. In chromatogram, the position of peaks on the time axis can be used to determine which of the following: A. Components of the sample, B. Amount of component in the sample, C. Column efficiency, D. Column resolution. The correct answer is components of the sample. What happens during the elution from the column phase in chromatography? A. Components with greatest affinity elute first, B. Components with least affinity elute first, C. Components elute in a random manner, D. Components elute according to their concentration in the mixture. The correct answer is components with least affinity elute first. The isobaric interference is not caused in which of the following elements: A. Argon, B. Oxygen, C. Helium, D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is helium. Which of the following is not the characteristic of ICP spectrometer? A. Easy sample introduction, B. It can trace multiple elements, C. High detection limits, D. Accurate. The correct answer is high detection limits. Atomization or ionization occurs at which of the following conditions: A. Vacuum pressure, B. Atmospheric pressure, C. Low pressure, D. High pressure. The correct answer is high pressure. Which of the following is the most accurate method of determination of elemental composition? A. Spectroscopy, B. Isotope dilution, C. Isobar dilution, D. Chromatography. The correct answer is isotope dilution. Solid samples are introduced into the ICP spectrometer using which of the following: A. Nebulizer, B. Cuvette having glass windows, C. Probe, D. Laser ablation system. The correct answer is laser ablation system. Liquid samples are introduced into the ICP spectrometer using which of the following: A. Nebulizer, B. Cuvette having glass windows, C. Probe, D. Laser ablation system. The correct answer is nebulizer. Which of the following is the disadvantage of ICP mass spectroscopy? A. Incapable of multi-element analysis, B. Less sensitivity, C. Impossible to obtain isotopic information, D. Not useful for detection of non-metals. The correct answer is not useful for detection of non-metals. Ions flow is pumped into the vacuum system using which of the following: A. Orifice, B. Nozzle, C. Vein to remitter, D. Dull tube. The correct answer is orifice. Which of the following steps takes place after injection of feed in column chromatography? A. Detection of components, B. Separation in the column, C. Elution from the column, D. Collection of eluted component. The correct answer is separation in the column. Components with a strong attraction to the support move more slowly than components with weak attraction. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. Double focusing section analyzers offer better resolution than ICP spectrometry system. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.